So now you can see the brown leather strap on the Cappuccino watch. I think it looks really quite nice. I'll see if I can get that nicely in. I found with the steel bracelet, it made the brown disappear. All you could see really was steel. It does need brown on it to bring it out. That's nice quality, I think. Let me know what you think. Oh, that looks smart. Now let me tell you a few things about this watch, because everybody says they're the same. They say, oh, they're all three the same, just different colours. Well, not quite. Now I may be wrong here, but let me tell you, when they are the same dimensions, they are, oh, camera's wobbling again, they are the same dimensions, everything's the same, all looks the same. I've measured it, it seems to be, you know, almost identical throughout. However, what is different, because the silver is brushed, first of all, you don't have to worry about getting any grubby marks on the side of it. They don't show up, so that's nice. But what is definitely different, and I don't know whether this will show it up now, if you look at the coin edge on the bezel, which you grip to turn the bezel round, and I'll try and do that before this camera's a habit of well, it's got its own mind. Because it's silver, I'm guessing these are sharper. There is more of a, there we go, there's more of, you can get hold of them perfect well as you can on these, but on these they're smoother. This edge here is smoother. Now I'm not saying that the silver one is painful to touch or anything, it isn't, but it's noticeably different. That, can you hear that? Oh, it's just as good, very positive, but glides around. When it comes back up to 12, there's that extra, you get to there, and then there's that little bit of extra resistance to push it off and start again. So that's the only real difference. I'm not going to show you the case back, the open case back, because frankly I can't see the point of it. It's just, to me, it's a waste of time. I don't know what they were doing. I don't see why that is of any interest to anybody, to look at the inside of a watch that is dull and boring. But you know, horses for courses. Some people love it, not for me. So I'm not going to get the gold one because I haven't got 15 grand sloshing around, but I think this is fabulous. This is a game changer. I think this watch has got the X factor about it that I think the other two don't have. And I've lived with the other two for some time now. I like them very much. Will I keep all three? No. I think I will sell the black one, and then I will see what I'm going to do. Today's watch, by the way, don't know whether you can see that, I'm back wearing my Parnis GMT Rolex tribute, whatever you want to call it. Fabulous watch, 50 bucks. So there's my thoughts. I love it, really glad to have got it. I think it oozes quality and class. I love the fact that it's silver, although silver is basically worthless these days. Never was worth much. But it's a great watch. So give me your thoughts. Thanks for watching, or even washing. Have a good wash. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.